Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to give a brief introduction to the sysadmin DevOps curriculum. This part of the curriculum is going to provide you with the foundations you'll need to understand how tech companies serve content quickly and reliably over the internet at increasingly large scales. The Holberton Foundations curriculum will mainly cover systems administration, which means working with Linux, Bash, and server-side infrastructure. Mastering these three things is essential to eventually becoming an SRE or DevOps engineer. You'll also be exposed to some DevOps tools such as Puppet and Fabric, which are a bit higher level but also widely used in the field. This curriculum should give you insight into how tech companies manage to serve their content to increasingly large customer bases reliably and at scale. SRE, or Site Reliability Engineering, is a job that combines software engineering and systems administration. From small startups to tech giants, nearly all companies configure and manage hundreds or even thousands of servers. This is a monumental task which requires SREs to write software that automates these processes, as well as fix things when they start to break. The sysadmin track will be a major shift in structure and methodology from what you've become accustomed to with Python and C. There are a ton of ways to solve the same problem, and the scope of the problems you'll be solving is much broader, which involves managing operating systems, computer networks, and server-side software in tandem. It may feel a bit overwhelming at first. It's completely normal to feel like you have no idea what you're doing. You'll be diving into the deep end of distributed systems and possibly feel like you're drowning, but given time and practice, things will start to make more sense. In this project, you will be working with Bash, the Swiss Army knife of the sysadmin. This is a tool that you should master. You'll be covering the basics such as loops, conditions, variables, comparison operators, and then you'll do a bit of parsing. Something to keep in mind is that while Bash is a great scripting tool, you will likely not use it for major tasks that involve a ton of features. Software engineering can be boiled down to taking some input data, manipulating it, and outputting the altered data. Toward the end of this project, you'll be using Bash to read through some data and perform this input-output process. That's it for this brief introduction. Welcome to the sysadmin DevOps track. Good luck!